been seeing like the same repeating numbers over and over. Like every time I look up, it's either on my phone, on my clock. I see it on social media. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm talking about angel numbers. What are they and why do you keep seeing them? If you're interested in that, keep watching. Have you guys ever experienced that where you're seeing just repeated numbers all the time and you're just like, what is this? What's going on? What's happening? And it's like you're not even trying to look for them and they just show up. If that is you, listen up. They're supposedly called angel numbers. So I did a little research and I recommend you do your own research as well. And they basically say that angel numbers is a message trying to get to you from your spirits, ancestors, angels, the universe, whatever you want to call it. So this is a time to be aware of your vibrations and your energy, making sure that you are aligned at this time when you're seeing these repeating numbers and these sequences. It's basically angels trying to communicate with you and trying to give you a message telling you that you are going in the right direction, or maybe you need to rethink your route or something. Just a way to guide you. It's also said that if you are manifesting, then angel numbers are something that you want to be aware of, since you know that's a way for the universe to communicate with you, since you are communicating with the universe by manifesting. They all have different meanings and a different message, and you can look it up to see what that message is. There are repeating numbers that signal, hey, be aware of the thoughts that you are thinking right now during this time. There are numbers about money, like, hey, wealth and abundance heading your way. You know, we all want that. And there's just different type of meanings for each one. So there are different angel number sequences. It can be 11, 222, 3333. There's some numbers that I just keep seeing and I'm just like, oh, going about my life. And then I see it again, going about my normal life. And I'm saying it again. I'm tired of saying it at this point. So I'm like, let me look this up because apparently it's something I need to know, I need to be aware of. I am not an expert on this topic at all. I am learning just like you all. I'm just going with what's best for me, what improves my life, and just sharing that with you all as well if you're interested in learning more. So I want to briefly go over some of the meanings behind some angel numbers. One thing that I've noticed from looking up angel numbers is some of the definitions can vary slightly. Like I feel like they overall have the same concept, but it's just kind of different a little bit. So definitely like look at different sources and read around. I'm gonna start with 111. So that angel number, if you see that, it says more so it's around your thoughts, becoming aware of your thoughts and knowing that your thoughts become your reality, and just pay close attention to your ideas, beliefs, and feelings. So this angel number is centered more around thoughts. Angel number 222, it looks more like it's a warning sign letting you know that your life may be out of balance in some way, and to just realign yourself and to get more on a positive route. The angel number 333 is more connected to your life's purpose and that you are unique with your talents and abilities and making an impact. So I would say an example will probably be if you're working on something that you're really passionate about and you're wondering, is this the right direction? Am I doing the right thing? And you see the angel number 333, and since that is associated with your life purpose and you walking in your calling, that would be a good sign that you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. The angel number 444 just means that you are doing good and you're on the right path. The angel number 555 is more about change, and change is on its way. Good things are coming. Expect probably a shift in your life, something new, something unexpected, something like that that will push you in the right direction, and the universe is helping you through all of this. So I'm gonna skip around a little bit and just skip to 888 because that is money, honey. 888 angel number is more about abundance and money. Usually when you become aware of angel numbers, you notice them more than before. Like before, you're probably just like, oh, it's a number, okay. But then once you become aware of angel numbers, you're like, oh, let me look that up. That is that. When it comes to angel numbers, you aren't supposed to look for them like, oh, where are repeating numbers? It will help to be more aware of your surroundings, but just let the numbers come to you naturally, because that's how it's gonna happen. You're not really like, oh, I'm searching for repeating numbers all the time. You're just living your regular life, and you just happen to see the same numbers over and over again for some reason. Usually when I start seeing angel numbers now, I'm like, oh yes, universe, oh, my manifestations are coming. Yes, I hear you. Yes, I receive. That's usually me when I see it. You can find angel numbers almost anywhere. It can be many places, but I think the most common is probably time, like your phone or a clock. It can also be like in addresses, phone numbers, your bank account. So just being aware of it, but not looking for it at the same time. I personally only see a couple of repeating ones. Like, there are some repeating numbers I've never seen. The money one is one of them. I don't think I've ever seen 888. I have like money blessings. I don't see those numbers. Maybe in the future I'll see the repeating numbers, but I invite all of that into my life. Angel numbers is just to help you and guide you through life and let you know that the universe is there and has your back, and it's like, oh, your manifestations are coming. Some people can think of it as a coincidence, but if you keep seeing the same repeated number, there becomes a time where it's like, okay, I believe that this is a message, because what are the odds of me seeing this so many times? Usually I don't really pay attention to angel numbers in a sequence unless it's like 3 or more numbers, but they say that angel numbers can be 2 numbers or even 1 number, but I don't really pay attention to those or try and look those up. But once it becomes 3 and 4, I'm just like, I need to look more into this. I'm not sure how much I believe in angel numbers, but I do believe in good energy, positive vibes, all of that. Well, that's the end of my video. If you enjoyed it and you found value in it, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.